Month by month in 2017, the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development was pushing for the advancement of local matters that positively impact people's lives. The Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management used Earthquake Awareness Week to improve the public sector's disaster response capacity.
So that in the event of an earthquake, and even before the quake, they have the skills at hand where they can go out and do the rapid visual screening.
The property tax mobile unit was a success, collecting over $2 million in a series of stops following its launch early in the year.
We are going to be vigorously enforcing the drive to collect the outstanding property taxes that are due.
Meanwhile, OPM trained more than 300 health workers in disaster risk management and emergency operations. As the year progressed, the Negril Fire Department welcomed a new ambulance to assist with emergency services. Garbage collection was improved as 24 new trucks were handed over to the National Solid Waste Management Authority. The first batch of 6 arrived in April.
This amount of trucks will still not be adequate, but at least will put the entity in a better position to respond to the needs of the country.
While that was happening, the Japanese government gave the ministry equipment and other inputs for its improvement of emergency communication system project. By February 2019, the residents of Portmore will have their own municipal building, for which ground was broken last May. Over in St. Elizabeth and adjoining parishes, 3 firefighting trucks and a water tanker were provided. And after sections of the island were damaged by prolonged showers in April and May, more than $200 million was disbursed to help residents.
We made available to the municipal corporations just yesterday $175 million.
About 900 fire hydrants across the island were repaired by the Jamaica Fire Brigade starting in June. That same month, the brigade got 2 new command units and another 2 Rosenbauer fire trucks.
There are a number of stations across the island that is without a working fire unit as we speak. It is the intention of the government to correct it.
Residents are now able to better identify sanitation workers of the National Solid Waste Management Authority, as $20 million was spent to outfit the employees in professional attire. In August, residents of Breadnut and Rosewell in Clarendon got water in their homes for the first time in 30 years when the Palmetto Pen, Breadnut Bottom, Rosewell Water Supply Project was commissioned into service. The ministry employed more than 2,000 young persons during the summer and assigned them to conduct an assessment of the country's streetlights and signs. Hundreds of relief supplies and humanitarian personnel were deployed to neighboring islands impacted by Hurricanes Irma and Maria. The Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management was the country's coordinating hub.
Provisions of logistic support, securing and transporting relief to the Turks and Caicos Islands and the Bahamas, which includes, Mr. Speaker, roofing supplies, water, kits, and food items.
On home soil, the Social Development Commission embarked on a series of activities promoting small businesses. And the ministry partnered with the National Health Fund and Jamaica Public Service to break ground on a permanent facility for homeless people in St. Catherine. In the 10th month of the year, more than 200 runners kick-started the ministry's inaugural Cross-Island Run, which lasted for 19 days.
Community involvement, community building, community participation is a critical component of the ministry's agenda.
Several activities were initiated to make Local Government and Community Month 2017 more vibrant and meaningful. As Jamaicans look forward to the end of the year, the ministry's brigade made fire safety a priority. Improving the conditions of the local authorities during 2017 was the main aim of the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development.